Hi friend, myself Indrajit Pal. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated or upcoming different type of technical videos. Today my discussing topic is about why the white powder has been used inside the cable layers. Different types of powders has been used for or in between the different layer of the cables. So cables has 3 core, 4 core, 6 core, 8 core, 12 core, 16 core, 19 core, or 3.5 core, 3 core, 4 core, 2 core. Different types of cables are presently under using at substations and power plant. So what is the reasons between and why this powder has been used in between the layers of the cables? The current is flowing through the conductors of the cables, but the cable has a layer. What is the layer? Upper layer. The each and every strand of the cable are layered with PVC, XLP as per the use and as per the conditions is concerned. So for the low current cable we used talcum powder. Talcum powder has been used for the low current cable. Suppose we are using different cable for the communication purpose, for computer, printer, monitor, different low current cables. Inside, if you open the cables, then you can easily show or easily see that inside the some powder has been present between the layers of the cables. What is the main reason for this powder? The main reason for this powder for separations of the different layer. If this powder has not been used or not been given or provided, so the layer can be pasted with each other. For the separation purpose and also for the insulations maintaining purpose, we are using this talcum powder. When the current is flowing through the conductors and the inner layer of the PVC or XLP cable, the cable has been heated up due to the flow of current. If this flow of current will be high, then this insulations layer can be damaged and one phase with the other phase can be pasted after burning of the insulations upper. So there will be the phase to phase fault maybe. And for the high current cable, we are using the magnesium oxide powder. Magnesium oxide powder is very effectively for the heating control, fireproof, and it's bring maintained the flexibility of the cable. So magnesium powder is good heat absorbent. It can evaporated, dissipated the heats from the cables. So if the high current will be flowing, heating effect will be there. If that heating will be heat will be evaporated or dissipated very soon, then the cable life or longevity should be will be maintained for long time. Our third topic is the soluble powder. Soluble powder, where it is being used, the soluble powder is used inside the cables where the cable will be used underwater or moist area where the moistures and the water has been there. Suppose these types of cable has been used in the substation's cable strange or different area where you have to just connected the electricity or whatever be your requirements. Underwater laying will be necessary. So soluble powder cables, that may be the control cable, that may be the power cable. So you should have to use the soluble powder cable for underwater work or for moist area. So it is waterproof, and when this water will be absorbed to the soluble powder, the powder will be converted to gel. So that will just protect the layer of the cable, and the layer of the cable will not be affected due to the heating, because the gel just absorbs the heats and evaporated the heats. So it is very important features of the soluble powder cable. And the fourth is the chalk powder. What is chalk powder? Chalk powder is being used in between layer of the cable for the fire hazards or fire prone area where there may be the chance of fire or fire hazards will be there. So you have to use this chalk powder cable. If you use this chalk powder cable, so the protections and also the equipment of the cables should be maintained. So friend, today's discussing topic was about why the white powder is used. All the types of the powders is white: talcum powder, magnesium oxide powder, soluble powder, and chalk powder. Different types of powders has been used for the different work. Talcum powder is for the low current cable, magnesium oxide powder for the high current cable, soluble powder is used for where the water and moisture is present, and the chalk powder has been used where the fire hazards may be there. So friend, today's discussing topic is very important. It is being asked in different interview questions, so should remember these four powders for your understanding, and share with your friends and colleagues for their information purpose. So friend, if you interested, please subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends. Thank you very much friends.